And we are back. So just finished recording and sharing the video with you about the Kadej Vim1S, which was announced this week. Really nice performance at the great price point. So I will also leave a link down below. But right now I want to share the display that we have been using with the Kadej, which is this WIMAXIT IPS panel, HD resolution with 12 inches. At this moment it's not connected to the Kadej, although the Kadej is here and turned on and the HDMI cable right over here. But I did connect with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and as you can see I have the Samsung DeX right over there, and I can control it right over here. I can open Word and do whatever I want. I can connect a keyboard, a mouse, as we have seen in the past. I love Samsung DeX, so really nice. But the display has some features like touch screen with 10 active points. So if I want to use it as a tablet or as a phone, I can just start an app and I can use it. But Samsung DeX, in my opinion, it's better with a keyboard and a mouse. But this is possible to use just with touch screen. In terms of the inputs, it has one mini HDMI and two USB Type-Cs. At this moment, I'm connected via USB Type-C to the phone, and I've got another USB-C for power. Now, I did try to unplug the power, and it does still work, but the brightness will go down to save the phone battery. So this is one of the things that I'm not really sure. And just to mention that connecting one cable to the Samsung phone, if we select the performance mode, it will not dim the screen, so we will get full brightness. Now probably this will spend a little bit more battery of the phone, but I will get full brightness. So that was one of the questions that I had, and now I answered to me and to you as well. The menu, which is really complete, easy to navigate, no issues whatsoever right over here. Color accuracy, it's great, and even on angles that are really wide open, like for example in this position right over here, I still see the image and I still see almost all the colors without color shifting, which is really great for this kind of display. Now this is a portable display, so in my opinion it is well suited, really well suited, and I've got personal experience about that, of being traveling with a laptop. So I can just bring the laptop and the display. I can open apps on one screen and have the other screen to write my essays and things like that. So really awesome. I also did use with the Kadej Vim1S, so if you have a development board or a mini computer, this is also a great scenario. Or if we want to use for video surveillance, for example, or for some gaming, and we want to take our console and we want to take the display, it's just really easy to use. It has an interesting feature, which is a VESA mount here at the back, and personally I would not see putting this on the wall, but there might be some scenarios where people want to put this next to their own bigger display just to feature something, and probably will be useful. In terms of the stand, it comes with this plastic stand right over here that we can use as I'm using right now. Just put it on the desk and that is it. It has integrated sound, and the sound, as you can expect for the size of the display, it's not that big of a deal, but it is really interesting, and I was able to use it with the Kadej Vim1S without any issues whatsoever. But for more quality, of course, headphones or a proper sound monitor that will give us a huge experience on image right over here and on sound on the other display. And basically this is it. I will leave a link down below for the WIMAXIT display. We have seen quite a few right over here. In terms of quality, it's just awesome, both image and construction wise. So a really nice experience if you are looking for something like that. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, so don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.